Okay, here we have a Russian Type 2 AK-47 bayonet. We've seen the early ones, and this is what American collectors refer to as a Type 2. It has a different shaped handle in that and everything, other than the one with the big rounded handle. But I don't have one of those right now to compare to, but maybe I will. Alright, so when we look at this, and you'll find bayonets similar. They're made by several different countries, and they all look the same. So how do you know if yours is Russian? First off, again, the telltale sign is the hanger and the direction it goes into, supposedly from what the experts say. And this is a basic leather hanger. Now these types, they have that little quick disconnect, so if this gets damaged, you can easily replace the hanger, which is part of the new design. And we'll get this off. So again, proper direction. The tab is here going that way. So that kind of makes it somewhat Russian. And the other things that we have is, fortunately, this one we have some markings. And there's your standard shorter blade, saw back, and the notch for the wire cutters. And you have this little strap that kind of hooks down onto this here like this to have like a hand guard or something. But this one here, if we look at the blades, you see where it's got the serial number and the markings. Turn that the right way. Right there. And that's a triangle with an arrow. And also on the scabbard, it's down here, the triangle with an arrow. So we know this one's Russian. Okay. Now the new design had this nifty wire cutter thing where you can place that in there, and then you have improvised wire cutters. Now the Russian one, where you'll see the metal, the ones with the metal scabbard will have a rubber handguard that's non-conductive. I guess I heard that this material also is non-conductive, so it doesn't need that rubber piece like you would see on one with a metal scabbard. Okay, and we'll put this one up here to give you an idea of the length. Compared to the old one, overall it's a little bit more than an inch shorter. Has a shorter blade. And like I said, looking at that hanger, you can detach that with this clip and replace this if it gets damaged, which is a nice feature on there. The older ones that were looped through and everything. And this does fit very well on our typical AK-47. A little stick, there we go. There it is, right there on the AK. So that one there fits on there just perfect. Alright, so that's our review of this bayonet. And like I said, this one is Russian made and Russian marked. The thing about these is so many different countries made them. It's kind of hard to distinguish who made them and that. They don't really put markings on them. That's what I'm trying to learn and go on. But again, the comment section is open, and any of you fellas down there know more about this than me, please feel free to express your comments or information. All right, thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, gentlemen.